The new Voyager 360 camera system brings a new height of awareness for drivers, giving them a real-time bird's-eye top-down view while maneuvering to get the job done safely and effectively. And what's even better about this new system? Installation has never been easier. The Voyager 360 camera system features auto-calibration, allowing for quick work on the production line. With this system, each vehicle is easily and individually calibrated, ensuring precision on every install. Here's a quick rundown of how Voyager's auto-calibration works. 4 checkered mats are placed at each of the 4 corners of the vehicle. The skew and parameters of the vehicle, or distance between the mats, are then defined in the system. This can be done either by using presets, perfect for production lines, or customized on a vehicle-by-vehicle basis by the end user. Once the mats can be seen within the guides in each of the camera feeds, auto-calibration can begin. Within 30 to 60 seconds of starting, the auto-calibration process will complete. When finished, the system will then restart, and the Voyager 360 camera system will be ready for use. Once the system has been calibrated, the monitor inside the cab will display 2 real-time images side by side. On the left side, a 360-degree top-down bird's-eye view, created from the 4 camera feeds, perfect for maneuvering in low-speed situations. On the right side, a 270-degree perspective combining the views of the left, right, and rear cameras, similar to what you might see using a traditional rear-view mirror, and is great for general awareness when traveling down the highway. The Voyager 360 camera system provides a convenient high-resolution solution with its new auto-calibration functionality. Voyager. Expand your vision.